Hello everyone, I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome to my Generative AI Learning Series. In this series, we are focusing on basics of generative AI concepts. So let's dive in and start today's session. So today's topic is Introduction to Prompt Engineering. Let's start with introduction. Today we are going to learn about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the skill of communicating effectively with AI models to get exactly the output you want. AI models like ChatGPT or other generative AI models can generate text, images, audio, or any content. But here is the key idea: the output depends on how you ask. Let me give you an analogy. Think of AI as a chef. If you say, make me food to an AI, or a chef could make a salad or a sandwich or even dessert. But if you say, make me a chocolate cake with strawberries and cream, the chef will give you exactly what you expected. Prompt engineering is all about giving the AI clear, precise instructions, just like giving instructions to a chef. Let's start with how AI generates output. AI models are called large language models, are also called as LLMs. They are trained on huge amounts of text to predict and generate the content. When we want the AI to do something, we send it a message called a prompt. The AI reads the prompt and generates an output based on it. So let's see the diagram. Our message that is called as prompt sent to an LLM model, but LLM model will understand that prompt and give a LLM response. But the response should be not be same. So, but here's the catch. If the prompt is vague, the AI might guess incorrectly. For example, if you ask, tell me about Java. Let's understand with this example to giving this example prompt to Gemini here. Gemini, we have a list of models, but we are using 2.5 slash flash model, and I'm asking, tell me about Java. This is a vague prompt. When I give this, it is running and it is doing search, and we are getting this result. So this result is like Java is a high level class based object oriented. So this is related to programming language Java, and it is generated the content. So when we see this content, we can understand with the example. The AI might reply, Java is a high level object oriented programming language. So this is what the result we also got. But maybe we expected Java, the island in Indonesia, not the programming language. This shows why vague prompts often lead to unexpected result. Here the expected result will be an island in Indonesia, but Java is an high level programming language. That is the output which is given by our LLM model. So how to handle this? Let's understand what is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the process of crafting prompts carefully so AI gives the output you want. Then the goal is to reduce ambiguity and improve clarity. How we can do that? See, vague prompting we did and we got the unexpected result. Now improved prompting we can do. So prompt refinement, better prompt to the LLM model, we will get desired response. So better prompt will send to LLM model. LLM model will understand the prompt which is have expected desired response that will be given by LLM model. Let's revisit our example. If we say provide a brief overview of Java, the island in Indonesia, including cultural highlights and major tourist attractions. Let's give this prompt to the LLM model, Google Gemini, and let's see the output. Now it is taking a just second and connecting to Google search, and it is created. So now you see Java is the political, economic and culture heart of Indonesia. Now we are getting all the cultural highlights, major tourist attractions and all. So the AI will now describe temples, local culture and cities like Jakarta. So by this we can understand the better prompt. LLM will understand that prompt and give the desired response. So let's understand with analogy. This is like a this is like giving a GPS direction. Instead of saying go to the market, we are giving details to the GPS that we are going to the market in this road. The more details you give, the better A knows where to go. This is a prompt engineering. So, how to master this prompt engineering? Let's understand with some topics. We can master prompt engineering in 4 steps. Let's start with step 1, best practices. Always make prompts specific, detailed, and unambiguous. Use simple language. Also include context if necessary. For example, instead of saying explain photosynthesis, let's try this prompt with our LLM. I am taking a new chart and I am giving explain photosynthesis. So when I give this one, so it is searching and generating photosynthesis is the process by doing all this information. Okay. When we give this, there is no context for whom it is generating, why we are generating, and there is no proper explanation. So what we will do, rather than giving explain photosynthesis, we can say explain photosynthesis for 10-year-old students using simple examples, analogies, and step by step explanation. Let's try this prompt with the same Gemini. Let's see how it will generate. Now I am giving the same prompt to LLM. Now you see the photosynthesis is a super cool process that plants use make their own food. So the sentences, the words which are can be understood by 10-year student also, 10-year student who can understand all examples, step by step process, everything is updated. So this is how think from the AI's perfect perspective. If it does not know exactly what you want, it will guess, which may lead to wrong answers. This is the first step, best practices. Let's go to step 2, advanced prompting techniques. These techniques guide AI to think systematically and produce structured outputs. Chain of thought. Explain reasoning step by step. Chain of thought is one type of prompting technique which will explain AI for reasoning step by step. Then we have self consistency. AI checks its own answer for accuracy. Tree of thought, skeleton of thought, chain of density, all these techniques follows a logical structure, not a random synthesis. So how we can understand? Let's analogy like giving a AI a blueprint or map so it does not get lost. These techniques we will learn in our generative AI learning series in future videos. Let's go with prompt hyperparameters. Hyperparameters are settings that influence AI output. This is very important. Temperature controls randomness. If it is high, more creative output. If it is low, more precise output. Top P, it is like A considers only the most probable words. Low top P focused answers, high top P more diverse ideas. Max tokens controls length of the output. So by understanding this analogy, like adjust a camera's focus, brightness, and zoom for perfect shot, we can settings do the we can use the hyperparameters for prompting to get desired output. We also learn and we can try this in our future videos with these hyperparameters and how to handle them, how to get them proper the features using these hyperparameters. Let's go with step 4, prompt evaluation. This is very important. After generating any output from LLM, check if it matches your goal. Use tools like prompt to analyze, evaluate, and refine prompts. Iterative testing leads to better accuracy and consistency. This topic also we are learning in future videos with practical examples. So tools for practice. I recommend using Google Gemini AI Studio, free after email sign up, offers models from basic to advanced, allows adjusting hyperparameters like temperature, top P and stop sequences. So alternative will be OpenAI Playground, but it is a paid version, so that's why we are not recommending that one. Let's tip. Practicing in a real environment helps you to understand AI behavior and see which prompts work best. So summary. Prompt engineering is equal to communicating clearly with AI, Vague prompts leads to unpredictable outputs. Good prompt engineering involves writing a specific prompts using advanced prompting techniques, tuning hyperparameters, evaluating and refining prompts. Key takeaway: with proper prompt engineering, you guide AI like a GPS, so it reaches the exact destination you want. What is next? We will practice by writing prompts in Google AI Studio and testing these techniques live. So, thank you for watching today's session. This is part of Generative AI Learning Series. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.